Mindjárt megvan a 10.000 feliratkozó. Mindjárt megvan a 10.000 feliratkozó. Nem tudom. 40, 50, 60.
all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground. With a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.
Hello. And good evening, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, we do.
Awesome. Perfect.
Strive for glory.
Hey Alpha,
Hello, Wagwan.
how are you all?
Hi, how are you?
Hello, Reza. Hello, everyone. So, the time has come, finally. Today is Fed Interest Rate Day. Are you excited?
All in.
Yeah, all in. All in.
Yeah. We have to sit tight and fasten our seatbelt.
Yes, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Yeah.
Or change your trousers.
Definitely.
Yeah, thank you.
Good one though.
So, looking at gold and US 30, this is the two I'm focusing today, and USD Japanese yen. But you can see everything, gold, US 30, Japanese yen, all the currencies are currently moving sideways, and there's a reason for this. The Fed is about to announce one of the maybe biggest rate hikes since 1994. Now, there is an argument about how much it's going to be. Is it going to be the 50 basis point that they announced and prepared for months? Or is it going to be 75, which only came to light this Monday by a Wall Street Journal article, and no one knows whether it's a clickbait or a deliberate coming out from the Fed indirectly? Because if they were to announce this quick, literally within days before the interest rate hike that they're going to go with 75 basis point, they would lose credibility. So we don't know really what's going to happen. But in my opinion, and this is not financial advice, I think the Fed is going to go ahead with the 50 basis point rate hike. One of the key aspects of the Fed is clear and concise, transparent, communication. And the past few months was characterized by, the Fed is orchestrated the 50 basis point rate hike. Every single central banker, voting members within the FOMC, they came out and said, yes, 50 basis point, we're going to go ahead, etc., etc. And if you go to the Fed website or ECB or any central banks in the world, there is actually a rule, which is the blackout period. Show, mute your mic. So there is a blackout period, and the blackout period basically says that days before the announcement, they're not allowed to come out and give any statement or communication or interview about the result. This is to avoid, front running and insider trading, and they are really strict about it. Of course, some of the Senate members have, they did inside trading before, but that's a different story. Nancy Pelosi, I'm looking at you. But all in all, I think if the Fed would make a big mistake if they go ahead with a 75 basis point rate hike, whatever is the decision is definitely going to move the markets. So new traders, it's not the time to be, you know, vigilant, and you're not going to make your first Lamborghini overnight. I guarantee that, because the whiplash you're going to witness in about 9 minutes is, I think, one of the biggest this year. So gold can move literally, you know, 50, 100 basis points within seconds. And in my humble opinion and my experience on the financial markets as a trader, I used to work as a hedge fund trader. I used to work as a risk manager to 15 countries in one of the biggest local banks. In my opinion, the Fed is going to go ahead with the 50 basis point rate hike, but anything is possible, so don't quote me on that. This is not financial advice. In my opinion, if they go ahead with the 75 basis point rate hike, you can see that the market has already priced in terms of the yields. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 3.4%, but it's way ahead where it should be. And this is only since Monday. So there's a lot of room to fall if they go ahead with the 50 basis point. And if the yields are falling, guess what? Gold and stock market is going to go up. So this brings us to two scenarios. If they go ahead with a 50 basis point rate hike, gold is going to go up, stock market is going to go up. And currently, if you look at the technicals, because we always start with the macroeconomics, we never start with technicals. I mean, yes, those who doesn't have any economics experience, yes, technicals are fine and great, and indicators and smart money, whatever it makes you money, just do it. But it's not my style, and I trust in numbers and trust in economics. So I did the thought process, started with macroeconomics. It's like peeling an onion, starts on the outer layer and go inside and inside. So in my opinion, if they go ahead with a 50 basis point rate hike, which is my number one scenario, gold is gonna go up. Stock market is gonna go up. Something like this. And if you look from the technical point of view, we can already see an inverted head and shoulders. Left, head, right. And it's above the daily pivot. If they go ahead with the 75 basis point rate hike, gold is gonna meet below 1800 within seconds, or even lower. Stock market is the same. It's gonna go down to the pre-pandemic levels, 30,000 in a jiffy. Any questions?
Clear, Thomas.
Understood already. We have 5 minutes until launch.
Fingers on the triggers.
Hey.
How you doing? You alright?
Yeah, not too bad. It's a late shift for me.
Yeah, I got back I was an early shift at work, so 4 o'clock in the morning till 2. I came home and thought, right, let's get a couple of hours sleep before the main event, and I just got up.
Good.
Right.
One thing I wanted to highlight, and everyone listen very carefully. We never had this situation before where the Fed had $9 trillion worth of balance sheet that you can see on the screen right now. $9 trillion. Huge. We never had the same situation, the same scenario when we had the Fed $9 trillion balance sheet. Inflation at 5-decade high. Labor market this tight. After the global pandemic situation, tell me one time when we had the same kind of situation or setup. Never ever in the whole life. And plus, the Fed is about to start reducing the balance sheet today by $15 billion. It's a lot. So if my analysis goes offline or off, please excuse me. But in my lifetime, or none of the history books ever had the same kind of setup. So team, you know exactly the technicals, right? In Discord.
Yes.
So Imran is asking, would I recommend buy and sell stop? No, absolutely not. Even I'm not really 100% that I want to trade this, But maybe. No one knows, but maybe just a tiny lot just for the excitement. So I have my MetaTrader ready, but I have no positions currently running. Absolutely nothing, just to show you. Nothing. Just waiting and observing. ATS, will there be any impact on crypto? Yeah, crypto is gonna go to hell. 4 minutes.
4 minutes until take-up.
Stefan Christie, do you think it's the buy the rumor, sell the news scenario? In the midterm, yes, but you know, we want to trade now. We don't care how long, when it's going to fall. We're focusing on clearly just in and out. As soon as you're happy with the profit, close it down. Don't leave any money on the table.
I don't think much will happen. You have too little likes on YouTube.
Yes, by the way, how on earth is possible that 400 people watching and 142 people like? Guys, I'm ending the stream right now. There's 2 minutes. 2 minutes for the rate hike. I'm ending the stream now. If I don't see 200 likes now. You have 2 minutes.
Well, you look, let's get pressing that like button.
Alright, I'm turning off the camera now. Fuck, I can't reach it. Damn it. In my opinion, just they're gonna go ahead with the 50, but even that the whiplash is gonna be just so wide that even buying now, you have to place the stop loss at 1805. But we don't know what's the number going to be, so easy, cowboy.
YouTube is safe.
Oh, 225.
likes.
Okay. Okay.
Thirty-seven.
The stream is going ahead. Okay. Lucky bastards. Yeah. The whiplash is going to be in a jiffy. 240. Keep it going, guys. Right. Okay. I'm going to sit up. Hope you got some napkins and an extra pair of underwear. Why is it you always, Sophia? Hey, Tinesh.
Sorry, what?
Hello.
Not Sophia, Sophia. Alright,
okay.
we have 40 seconds. Are you ready? Woo. Let's see. 20 seconds to go. 15 seconds to go. And 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. The data is in. Oh, where's the data? Where's the data?
75.
75. Wow, gold is gonna go down, in my opinion. But why is it not showing on myinvesting.com? 175. 175. What the fuck?
Yeah, they was predicting 150, so it came 175. So they have increased 0.75.
Oh yeah, sorry, I was looking at the forecast. Apologies. Yeah, 75. Wow, that is a surprise. In my opinion, that should be really bearish for the stocks and bearish for gold. So I'm placing a small sell, but this is not financial advice. Remember that today is a unique event. I don't recommend anyone to trade who doesn't know what they're doing, and even I think it's going to, you know, go crazy. So I just placed the sell, stop loss at 1830, take profit 1800. So it will, okay. Yeah, let me just do it quickly.
Tamas, let's swing it to 1,560.
Good call, good call.
Been looking at that level for the past 3 years, to be honest. Don't know why, but I just, something is telling me something, I don't know.
Yeah, it would be nice, but you know, never know. Okay, so which one do you want to see, a MetaTrader or TradingView?
TradingView.
So I only place a tiny amount of position.
अभी आप मुझे बोला अभी सेल की एंट्री डाली है डाल दो.
Oh, our Pakistani and Indian friends are giving the signals now.
Like Tamas said it. Sell it. Sell it.
Go, 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 go. Alpha said, sell, buy. Sir, is it buy or sell? So, I made the whole thought process based on my experience in the markets, but remember that today is a really unique. We have the Fed reducing the balance sheet by $15 billion, and you know, anything is possible. So no one in living history ever experienced this kind of event. So be careful today, guys. And I'm only doing it for the stream, but my logic dictates that is a sell with the 75. Are you guys in a sell?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes.
That's
Why?
affirmative.
Why?
Why Thomas is doing so?
Yeah, if Thomas says, do you do anything? Ooh.
We just follow you.
Okay, jump.
Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go, people. Fuck technicals, fuck smart money concept. Only economics.
What's up, Thomas?
Hey, Raim. Guys, by the way, make sure that you're happy with the
How you
profit.
doing?
Lock it in immediately. Don't leave much on the table because it can be flash. And now we're running in 60 pips profit, ladies and gentlemen. 4 minutes into the stream. Into the
Nice,
data print.
let's go, guys.
Hello, hello, my friend.
Hello, hello, Thomas. Mate, I went also long and on USD JPY and look at this candle, mate. Holy shit.
Yeah, it's going up. I said go
It's
long on
going
USD,
up,
right?
yeah. Exactly,
Right.
exactly.
The stock market is going down. You can sell. Oh shit! I'm going to sell US 30 as well.
I did that.
75 is like really,
30,000.
really... Wow. I guess the Fed lost credibility.
And you know, gold has a direct competition now in terms of the government bonds because they're offering a whopping above. Have a look on the yields. Yields are going up 3.5% tonight. So it's going to affect stock market and everything. Or maybe maybe US 30 wasn't a good idea, but we'll see. Let's quickly jump on. Okay, so you have the gold set up, but shit doesn't want to get down. Okay, I'm going to reduce the US 30 because that was a bit too much. So I'm going to lock in some profits. Or maybe leave it. Who knows? No, I'm going to lock in 50. It's running in 100 points. Laci, ideges az asszony.
Várj, kikapcsol a mikrofon, ne úgy maradt.
The wife is angry. Right, ladies and gentlemen, who's in profit?
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Everyone.
Don't forget that we also have the speech, the press conference in 25 minutes. So let me show you in investing.com in the economic calendar. So by the time Jay Powell comes on the floor, you want to be fucking far away from a computer and the market. You don't want to trade because we don't know what he has to say. Well, we have a good guess, but you know, just be far away. Don't risk your money. Don't leave it on the table.
Hello, hello.
Okay, so I'm gonna close down US 30. It's tiny profit, but you know, at least it's profit. Fuck, close it down. And gold. Let's see gold. Why you don't want to drop? If you're happy with the profit, close it down. Doesn't matter how small it is.
Already did.
How much?
1,500.
Wow, that's a good day rate.
Yep.
So gold is running in 45 pips in profit. US 30 is starting to drop, but the press conference. Why is everyone so quiet?
Waiting when something happens.
Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, with the thing, we hear you.
You can hear me? Yeah?
Yes, Philip,
Yeah.
I can hear you.
Ah,
Yes.
okay. I think there was something wrong with my mic earlier.
It's a prank because you're gonna marry. They start pranking you the whole week.
No, we started muting him because he's getting married. So, by the way, congratulations to our beloved in-house photographer, the most talented photographer in history, Mr. Philip.
Very kind, thank you.
So Amir Syed says that his account, he already blew it up. How on earth is possible?
What?
When
How can you blow
we
the
were
account?
running in 70 pips profit and he blew up his account.
What the? How on earth? That doesn't even make any sense.
No, I think he was watching the wrong stream. We're still running in 35 pips profit.
I sold gold and US 30, made 4,000 there and closed them down.
Nice. How is US 30 doing? Yeah, US 30 is still selling. Phew, too much. Too much, my friend.
Gold doesn't really want to do much.
No. Most people
Sometimes
have...
you see a reaction after 15 minutes, a half hour. They have to adjust to what happened to decide what to do.
Mm-hmm. I thought we would have seen more of a
Right.
whiplash or something, but
I'm gonna close in the position. You know, I made 1k. That's more than enough for this 5-10 minute job.
yeah.
I think that's reasonable to say. So today 1500, 2000 logged in. And let's see, US 30. I think the market is really waiting for Mr. Powell, what he has to say. So, who made some profit today?
When is he talking?
I think he starts with "Got you."
What's up? He's gonna come out. What's up?
Got
What
you,
one?
You thought 50 base points. It was 75.
He's gonna jump in and you thought it's gonna be 50, motherfuckers.
Do I win the bet? I said 75.
Yes, you win. But who made some money?
Yes.
I did.
Only 2 people.
Thank you, Thomas. I did.
Right.
On both accounts. That account also. S2.
Thank you, I made some money.
Good, good, good.
2%.
Good, Bram, Mr. Bram. Hoe gaat het?
Gaat goed, dank je. Wow.
Yoma China, Yoma China.
Dank je, ja, lekker, lekker man.
lekker, man.
La la la. Okay, if you made guys money, I think my job is ending here. In it.
You did a good job.
Thank you very much. I mean, 5 minutes, 1500. It's freaking brilliant.
Yes. I think so.
Gold is coming back up. Do you think? Would you re-enter again, or would you stay there now?
No. I would definitely. Before the Powell speech is coming up in 17 minutes, I would not. You know, imagine that you make 1 or 2K, like many of us did now, and you see gold is going to the other direction because Powell comes out with some comments, and then you stuck at the computer for another hour trying to save your position, and then when you close it down, it drops. Do you really want the stress?
Exactly. No.
No. I want to open a beer and celebrate because I think we did a good job, even though, you know, it was 50 to 70 pips, but, you know, catching that for 5 minutes any day of the year.
Yes, I agree. I'll open a beer with you as well.
Thank you. Yeah, let the market do its thing, and then once we have the direction confirmed, we will have other opportunities this week. Let's see, what do we have tomorrow? Wednesday. It's Wednesday today. Tikka masala. Continuing jobless claims, initial jobless claims tomorrow. That's going to be exciting. Who wants to do another live stream tomorrow? Who wants to make some money tomorrow?
Yep.
Always.
Hell yeah, definitely.
Good.
The mullah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. I think I'm going to call it today. It was a short stream, but at least we made, you know, 50, 70 pips. So that's the most important. Gold looks like it's come back to the original, you know, where it started. I wouldn't chase money now, wouldn't chase the market. You know, if you made money and you took money, well done. And if you're still stuck in the position, have a good evening, guys. See you all tomorrow at...
Thanks, Thomas.
Hello.
Thank you, Thomas.
You're welcome. Bye.
Thank you, Thomas.
Cheers.
Bye.
Thanks, mate. Bye.
And people in YouTube, I know it was a short stream, but we made some money. If you want to join the Alpha community and get updates before the streams, get the setups and the economic commentary, the macroeconomics, and have daily briefings every single morning with me, commenting on the market and what to expect in terms of, you know, economics, fundamentals, and technicals, you have one more space left with the Pro Plan, and for the summer I'm closing down the memberships for this month. So hurry up, all you have to do, click to agree, purchase, and then take up the last membership for the foreseeable future. As simple as that. It's lifetime, it's only one-time fee, you don't have to pay anything anymore. You can enjoy the morning briefings. You can see it's uploaded to the website every single day, and it's a live conversation. People can ask and I explain everything about, you know, economics. So thank you so much, guys, for tuning into the stream. See you all tomorrow, or Friday, no, tomorrow 1 p.m. This is the Alpha Facts.
is all about experience. It's to feel the adrenaline running through our veins. Like all the things we do that excite us. Whatever world we come from or live in, there are people that are born to succeed. They're called special, to hustle every day for an opportunity of a lifetime. Looking for the challenge to shape our future is something that's in our DNA. A privilege just available for a few. Traders, we see things differently, paying attention to every small detail that would maybe go unnoticed by the common eye. On or by the edge is our playground, with a constant strive for glory, seeking for a new tomorrow. Do you feel special? Take back control of your investments.